In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this cool effect using CapCut. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first thing we're going to do is to import our video using CapCut. Once your video is ready, you're going to go ahead and tap right here at the bottom and you're going to add your text. Now here you can play around with the fonts or the styles depending on what color and what font you want for your text. So go ahead and edit your text as you wish. Once you have your text ready, you're going to go ahead and increase the length of your text. So we're going to make it a little bit longer so it lasts the same amount as the video. Now what we're going to do is play the video. You're going to stop it right here whenever you enter the frame, and you're going to add a keyframe right here. Then go ahead and play the video, and once you leave the frame, you're going to go ahead and add another keyframe. Then what you're going to do is tap on the first keyframe that you created. You're going to select the text and you're going to bring it all the way back towards where you start walking. And that's it. Now, once you play the video, this is the result that you're going to get. Hope that helps.